Hello, and welcome to Woohoo English with Nikki Woo. Today, we're going to be talking about fun in the sun, or rain, or rain. Great, we're going to be talking about the weather and activities. Okay, so I'm glad that you are here with me today. All right, let's get started. First off, we have sunny weather. You see the big sun here? It's a beautiful golden yellow sun. When the weather is sunny, you can go outside. And sometimes it is very warm, right? Because the sun gives us light and heat, right? The sun gives us light and heat. Okay, great. Okay, on sunny days, you can go to the beach. See the father and the daughter playing in the water there? You can walk in the sand and play in the water. And there's a father and a daughter. They are walking together in the water. Oh, that's great. Good to spend time with your family. Great. In sunny weather, you can swim at the beach. Right? This boy is swimming in a pool. He is swimming in a pool. But this boy can swim underwater. You see? He is swimming in the pool. He is swimming under the water here. Under the water. Great. You can go and play at the water park too. Here's the water park. You can splash in the water. Right? Splash in the water. You can play in the fountains. Right down here there are fountains. Right? Wonderful. Wonderful. It is good to go to the water park on hot days. It keeps you nice and cool at the water park. In sunny weather, if you don't like water, or we can say if you don't want to get wet, you can go to the playground. Here is a playground. Okay, great. You can slide down this slide. You can climb through the tunnel. How many slides do we see here? I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this big twisty yellow one over here is 6. 6 slides. That's amazing. That looks like a fun playground. 6 slides. That's great. Okay. If it is sunny and windy, right? The wind is blowing. If it's sunny and windy, you can fly a kite. There are many kites on this string. Right? I like flying kites. Do you like flying kites? It is very fun. Let's see how many kites we can count. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 kites on a string. Right? That's great. There are 11 kites on this string. Wonderful. Okay, let's talk about rainy weather now. Right? If it's rainy outside, you can play in a puddle. This boy is down here playing in a puddle. This boy is driving his toy car in a puddle. Do we see it? His blue toy car is half underwater. Half of it is underwater. But he is wearing a rain suit to keep him dry. Do you see his clothing here? His green rain suit keeps him dry. Another fun thing you can do in the puddles is you can wear galoshes. We call these galoshes, or rain boots. You can wear galoshes or rain boots to jump in the puddles. Oh, that makes a big splash. Right? If you jump in the puddles, it makes a big splash. Oh, that's great. It makes a big splash. Okay. If you go outside in the rain, don't forget your umbrella. This umbrella is red. It's my favorite color. I love the color red. Do you have a favorite color? Yeah? All colors are so beautiful. This is a lovely red umbrella. Okay, if you don't want to go outside, you can stay in the house. They're inside. The two girls are inside. You can read a book inside. They are reading a book. And you can have a snack, too. They're having an apple for a snack. An apple for a snack. If you don't like to read, you could paint or draw. We see here, you use brushes. Here's a brush over here. Brushes and paint. These are paint. To paint a picture. You can draw with colored pencils. Over here. What colors do we see here? I see red paint and black paint and yellow paint and blue paint and white paint too. I see many colored pencils. There are yellow, orange, red, green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, brown, and other earth colors, right? Other brown and orange colors. There are many beautiful colors on this page. Okay, if you don't want to paint or read, you could play a board game. A board game. This board game is chess. This game is chess. These figures right here, these pieces, these are called pawns. These pieces. There are many pieces in chess. There are many pieces in chess. Excellent. Okay. If you don't want to do any of those things, you could watch something on the TV. This person is watching a movie or a show on the TV. I like to watch movies. I like to watch funny movies. Funny movies are called comedies. I like to watch comedies on the TV. Right? There are many things you can do in the sun or the rain. And I want to thank you for joining me today. The thing you chose to do was to study English, and that's great. I really hope to see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.